Hello guys, so this is gonna be a fairly short video. It's regarding this box. It's basically a holder for these GX-16 or similar sockets. It has 4 holes on the side, 1 hole here that I'm hoping you can see, and that hole there is for the wire. The one that I'm uploading actually is going to have a bigger hole. And basically what I want to comment is the way that these holes are printing. They may be a little tight for these holders depending on your print settings and how your printer prints. So it may not slide easily in. So you may have to take a fat file and file a little bit on the sides here on each one of them until you can get this in, and this should slide fairly tight inside like that. If you could get it in without filing, all the better. Then of course you put in your washer, put in your nut, and then just tighten it up. I'm also using the snap lid that I used on the other box, the other project box. It's this one here. It has the little end tabs and it should just snap right in. And be fairly secure. As you can see, it doesn't come out very easily, but you can still get it out to get to your wires. So that's it. If you have any comments or any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. If you enjoyed this project and this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ebo Hob, just so I know that I should continue to make more videos and more projects, so I know that people are enjoying them.